Hello, everybody. We are starting a challenge called KISS, which is Keep It Simple Sunday Challenge. This is going to be a fun one. Quick and easy, and you can do with your child. So, I got a shipment from Bath and Body Works, which comes with a really nice decorated box on the inside. And I thought, what am I going to do with this checkered box? Well, it's a great idea for a tic-tac-toe board, right? Especially if you have a lot of little tiny buttons or trinkets of candy, little fake little, what do you call them? Novelty things, things that you can use for tic-tac-toe board. That's exactly what we're using this for, as a tic-tac-toe board. So let's get started. Our host for this challenge is Melissa Makes It DIY, and the co-host is DIY from Home to Home. Just want to do my little plug-in for them today, and I'm very thankful to be part of this collaboration. And let's get started. There is going to be a little bit of music. This is a super easy DIY that you can do at home. If you do not have a Bath and Body Works box, you can use any piece of cardboard and make a checkered box with some Sharpies. So thank you for being here, and fun stuff to do with little things that you have already around your house. If you do not have buttons, use paper clips. If you don't have paper clips, use decorative erasers or noodles. That's a good one. Noodles. And paint the noodles with the Sharpies and just do something different. And because you never know who may lose their noodle when they don't win tic-tac-toe. So just want to have some fun with you guys today, and I'm glad we are in 2022. New fun stuff to do together. So thank you for being part of my family, and let's get back to the video. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, how about